Do you wrench on your own bike or do you take it to the dealership? Let's get into that. Welcome to the channel. It's a nice windy November day. Yes, I'm still out riding. I'm riding by myself today. Yep. My brother's not here. His bike's put away. Yeah, bad tire, so he's done for the season. But anyway, subject today. Do you wrench on your own bike? Or do you take it through the dealer? Okay, for me, I used to, my old bikes, I used to take to the dealer all the time to have them do stuff. I would do easy stuff, replace batteries, stuff like that. That was it. I even took it for them to do the oil changes and everything on my old bike. This bike here, I do my own oil changes. I add all my accessories. I even did these handlebars right here. I have bought new tires. And in the springtime, I'm trying to wear these tires out right now. They're there. I'm just trying to keep them going. I got over 14,000 miles on these tires, the stockies, so I'm running them all fall until I can't run them no more. But I have new tires, and it'll be the first time that I'm going to be taking the rims off, you know, the tires and the rims off in the spring by myself and not take it to a shop. So I'll take the tires and rims off, take them to the shop, and they can replace the tires for me, and I'll put them back on. That's a first for me. You know, other maintenance and stuff I will do. Now, getting into engine work, tearing the motor apart, I won't get into that. I'll take it to a shop, but to a dealer, I don't know. I need to find a local shop, or when I move to South Carolina, maybe I can get Nori, gliding on two wheels, gliding on twos. To work on my bike for me. That'd be fun. Do you wrench on your vehicles? Or you take it to a dealer or another shop? Now, if you wrench on your vehicles and do stuff, do you buy only Harley Davidson parts? I don't. I stay away from Harley. The only time I give Harley my money now is when I buy the bike. You know, I may go there to pick up the gaskets for the oil change or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. I go in there, look around, but I don't particularly buy anything. I use aftermarket parts. I tend to like them better. As you know, I haven't done much to this bike. I want to do more. I want to add a lot of more lights to the bike, and I will not, you know, I want to change out the rear lights and stuff to smoked. I will not buy Harley Davidson ones. They're a little bit more expensive. I don't like the looks of them. I will either go with Zero 3D or custom dynamics, depending on what I'm looking for. And I may mix match. Don't know. We'll see. And if you do work on your bike, and it's a new bike, do you care about the warranty? Do you wait for the warranty to wear off? Or do you just go ahead and blow out that motor and blow that bitch up? I haven't done much to void I haven't done anything to void my warranty, so I still got my warranty. My warranty is good till June, I think, of 2023. I mentioned that my warranty is up in June of next year, but I may void that because I'm going to be, I want to get a tuner. Yes, I haven't done anything on this bike yet, but I want to get a tuner and add the tuner to, which I'm going to do myself. But I want to get a upgrade stock tune put into this bike and go from there and do. I want to video each step of my work. So I'm going to start off with an upgraded stock tune, and when I do my exhaust and air cleaners, then I'll do another tune and go from there. And I'm going to go with the Power Vision, the new one there, I guess. Yep. I'll probably get it from Moto. I don't remember which one you call it, but I'll put it right here, you know, later when I edit which one I want to use. But anyway, you add a tuner, void your warranty automatically. Puts a flag in there. So when you take it to the shop, it's automatically, nope, sorry. So do you guys care about, you know, your warranty? I know some of you buy a bike and you just go right through it, but yep, start modding it out, man. Don't give a shit. My old bike, I only had a, you know, when I first, my other bikes, they only had 1 year warranty. Now they got 2 year warranty. I wish it was, you know, well, I don't, you know, whatever. I guess the 2 years all right, but after you had a bike for a year and you beat on it, nothing's wrong with it, all right, you're good. For the majority of the time, any issues should come up within that year. So I'm not worried about voiding my warranty in the spring if I get my tuner. I'm not saying I will. I want to. I have to see if I can scrape some coinage together to get it. And if you don't wrench on your bike and you take it to the dealership all the time, did you pay for the extended warranty? Let me know if that was worth it or not. I particularly want, you know, I knew I wanted to do something to this bike, so I didn't, you know, get the extended warranty or anything like that. So, is it worth it for those of you that don't wrench on your bike and you have the dealership do everything? For me, it's not worth it. I don't care. I have, knock on wood, I haven't had any issues with bikes, really. Well, that's today's topic for you. Do you wrench on your bike? If you do, what kind of parts do you use? Do you use Harley parts? Aftermarket parts? Do you care about your warranty? Do you wait till your warranty expires to wrench on it, or do you don't give a shit and just work on it? Do Motovlog right off the bat. And if you don't wrench on your bike and do you take it to the dealer or to a different shop? And did you purchase the extended warranty? But that's then my video for today. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Help a fellow out. Trying to get up there. Hit that bell so you're notified of when I put out these new magnificent videos. Give a thumbs up. It helps with the analytics. Helps out the channel. And leave a comment below about anything that I discussed in this video. You wrench on it, you don't wrench on it. Dealership, mom and pop shop. Harley parts, aftermarket parts. Warranty, no warranty. And if you have warranty, did you get that extended? Leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time when I put out a new video. Everybody stay safe out there and keep both wheels on the pavement. Unless you like to do wheelies. And I haven't learned to do it yet with this big bastard. But anyways, stay safe out there. Alright, see you next time. Bye.